We are pleased to show you the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, LED headlights. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.